We suffer every day. What is it for? These clowns of illusion are fooling us all. And now I am weary and I feel like I do. It's only you who can tear me apart. And it's only you who can turn my wooden heart. The size of our fight, it's just a dream. We've crushed everything I can see. And this morning, selfishly, how we fail. And I feel like I do. Only you who can tear me apart. And it's only you who can turn my wooden heart. Chosen to take all we can. The shade of autumn will stare bitter and years of frustration lay down. Only you who can tear me apart. And it's only you who can turn wooden heart. It's only you who can tear me apart. And it's only you who can turn my wooden heart.
Check it out. Yo, Deltron, Thunder Force, ain't no other source of sunlight. 2-ton mic, leave you tongue-tied, running amok with technology with no apology. Shouting out to my colony with third eye physiology. Millennium past apocalypse is all I spit. Make you swallow it, your weak style. I'll abolish it with nuclear rockets. They glue to your optics with sci-fi. Unsettling, man in metal blends. Underground, chillin' with the moment. and his whole fam. Inhibit bacteria growth, material growth, impenetrable, incontestable, indigestible intelligence. Never let a computer tell me shit. It's rapid innovation, penetrating artificial life forms who bite songs. I'ma buy a Bex, lies next, then I'll flip the biotext right into the wireless. Your third eye is hit with psoriasis. The mighty is Deltron Zero, traverse and purge the travesty that tempt your ear holes. The area of distribution lifts the clueless. My flow is like liquid oxygen, rip it off it with specific impulse. Increasing thrust, grease the cuts, unleash a cluster of thoughts I muster. I talk to touch and rep the commercial communications, convert solar energy into imagery. In the mind's eye, blindside the contagious with radioactive isotopes to decay them. Atomic mass, they small as fragments. I magnetize the avid lies. My radiation shield reflects, rejects Decepticons who take the truth and stretch it long while I bless the song. Next level incredible, metal melding, flexibility of my engine is never failing. Histories combined couldn't violate the prime optimist operative. Use my hydrometer to see how warm you are. Watch me form a star. Hydrogen turns to helium when I shine. Riding them, revealing them, leading them to the vacuum. Interact with tunes in my digital citadel, critical, pivotal with the mental shit on you. Spit infinity, hidden energies too dope for all planets. Stars spanning, slamming hymns with mechanical limbs, scanning your lens with cosmic rays. Your organ play, your brain's inferior. I hit the lateral and posterior. My science is eerie, ionic bonding for your moronic pondering. Meet the armorines, my micro machines might throw your team into paralysis. They not talented, just a malady. Worry about a salary, creative casualty. Couldn't diffract my power density, intensity, non-equivalence. 900 newtons, crush you like croutons. U plus U sun, pyros like dipoles inside a silo. Turbulence tenfold, never simple. Defies accepted methods, development most unique. Paralyzed central nervous when you close to me. Interstellar void fills with color, appears to bubble and split into four like amoeba. Inhabiting planets with grandiose boats that coast like Silver Surfer. Build a purpose, high velocity, verbal atrocities, fire resistance, better higher assistance. My pistons glisten, ultra high performance inside your private quarters where I fry your components.